planting, an educational only channel. I'll walk you through my methods. Hopefully we'll have some fun along the way. Grow me's, I'm just an old fart having fun. In my 2x2 and my 3x3. How about that? Appreciate all ya, I really do, heck, I even love ya. Grow me's.
Good evening, Grow Me. Today is Tuesday, May the 5th, and it's about 8 p.m. Light goes off at 9. I'm gonna LS here and super crop her the best I can. It'd been nice if I could have got on her 2 weeks ago, but we're gonna see what we can get done. I'm gonna go all the way around the plant. I've already determined where I want to be with my bud height, where I'm going to super crop at, so they'll all be close to the same height. Like this, I've been working on this one actually already. It was like this, but I've been twisting and working on it, so when I clip it over, both node sites are going to be on the bottom. I mean on the sides, not the bottom. The name of the game is you don't want any of them on the bottom, like this one. But if everything goes right, I'm going to have it twisted before I clip it. I'm just going to work on them. The more you can get on the sides, the better. I've been working on that one. Otherwise, they'll be really skinny little branches if they have to come up from the bottom of the plant. Not only do that, worry about that on the parallel. You know, when they turn up, I don't sweat it as much. I want to keep as many nodes as I can on the sides so they can grow up straight and create bud sites. We're 2 weeks behind on this. I'm just going to bring you in and out as I go. I'm going to start working my way around. And I'll just bring you in and out. Back in a flash. Okie dokie. See how I got both them nodes on the side there? Now she didn't want to behave, so I went ahead and took the clip off there. That way she won't be hard ass super cropped. She'll come up some tonight while she's healing, and then we can work on that some more. I did the same thing right here, but I've also twisted. See how I got both them nodes on the sides now? One of them was on the bottom. Keep working my way around here and spread the branches out. And then we'll figure out where the hell we're going to super crop this bitch at. I'm going to work my way around. Back in a flash. Wee doggy. We got her ass broke down. Hopefully not too much. Let's see what she looks like in the morning. Whew. I'll get everything else tuned up here. And put my light back on schedule. And it'll be off. I'll catch you in the morning. Good afternoon, Grow Me. Today is Wednesday, May the 6th. And it has been roughly 16 hours since I put a serious beat down on Miss Gigi. If you are a Charlie Brown tree hugger, I suggest you turn away now. We'll take a peek at the American Gangster first, just to give you a little time to prepare yourself. Hold on. Okay, dokie. Scott over at Novice asked me if I had super cropped this American Gangster. Yeah, Scott, I super cropped the shit out of her. Super cropped her there, Super cropped it there. I super cropped it in a few places. I got these things all tied up. I got her bunched up just to get her in the tent. But yeah, Scott, when I clipped this thing out and made that nice pretty little Christmas tree the way I had it clipped out, all the buds got plenty of light. So there's really not a whole lot of larf at all on this plant. And it's a damn shame too. There are some nice ass nugs, but she's been STS'd. So I'm gonna have to throw the whole plant away. I'm just praying I won't call it a loss if I get 4 or 5 damn seeds out of it. I won't call it a loss. If I can get a F3 going and another attempt at the STS, I'll be happy as hell. I'll be happy as a happy camper. But yeah, nice, chunky, tight, small calyxes, tight buds, very tight buds. It's a beautiful plant. I will, I will dry her out and weigh her out. I'm not gonna smoke anything, but I'll tell you what, if I don't get 6 ounces out of this American Gangster, I'll kiss your lily white ass. I'm telling you that right now. But yeah, we're gonna take it to the end. Gonna take it to the end. All right, let's jump on back over here to Miss Gigi. Prepare yourselves, cause I whooped her ass bad. Actually, last night I was ashamed of myself after I was finished. Back in flash. Last chance to turn your tree hugging head away. Here we go. Boom. I'll put the hurting on her ass. It's been roughly 16 hours. But now we got lots of bud sites right up at the top. She's barely going into flower. So we're going to be stretching some more and we're going to be spreading her out. I think I'm going to get her ass damn near wall to wall in a 3x3 in a 3-gallon pot. Well, see, I like doing a little experimenting. I would have loved to LST this thing at the beginning, but I had all them photo periods in that little 2x2. There was just no way I could do it. I would have loved to jump on her at day 21. Not in week 6. We're in week 6. Oh, I ain't got my calendar. I think Monday was day 1 of week 6. So this is day 3 of week 6. So she's got quite a ways to go. Alright, Grummies. It's raining outside now, sprinkling showers and stuff. Some thunderstorms and crap tomorrow. So I probably won't do nothing until Saturday. We'll probably do a indoor and outdoor Saturday. See how well she's recovered. And take a look at everything outdoors. I got all them damn Charlie Browns and pots outdoors. Got all these storms coming in. God knows what's going to happen. Probably have to go round up some stakes and stake them up. Well, some of them's going to get super cropped before I'm ready to do it. But yes, some super cropping going on, getting ready to go on out there. 3 of them. Dragons, Miss K's, and calves. Still ain't seen no sign of no males on calves. So I might go get another 10-gallon pot. We'll see. I potted the smaller calves up and put the bigger one in a smaller pot. Figuring that thing would show me some, start showing some balls or something. But no balls on any of the calves yet. And you know I'm gonna keep the biggest, best female I can. But yeah, just gonna play it like it, play it by ear, Grummies. That's how I always do. Old Fatbuds always flying by the seat of his pants. I love a challenge. Have a fantastic day, Grummies. It is hump day. Go hump something. I can't hump shit. I'm already beat up. I'm out of here. Peace.